Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M05 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and enter more security settings, and here we've got this option install unknown apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something on your device. Of course you can change it, just find the app and tap on the switcher like I did next to the Chrome. From now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific switcher or tap on deny all, so it will turn off all of those apps in this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.